The ruling by Justice Amaewhule-Led may just have set a new vista in the festering political crisis in Rivers State that commenced last year. While some legal practitioners support the judicial pronouncement, others fault the judgment, which states that despite the statements and media reports of their purported defection to the All Progressives Congress, the Rivers State Assembly members remain members of the People's Democratic Party.
Speaker at that time, Martin Amaewhule, announced publicly it was a proceeding of the House of that day. It's not even about social media. Some are beginning to say, you don't defect on social media, you don't defect on other platforms. It was in the proceeding of the Rivers State House of Assembly on the 11th of December 2023 that Martin Amaewhule read clearly that the members at that time had all written to him.
By virtue of what took place at the floor of the Rivers State Assembly on the 13th day of December, they are no longer members of the People's Democratic Party. 1. 2. Considering the judgment delivered by Honorable Justice Charles Wale of the Rivers State High Court, sitting in Port Harcourt, the judgment is self-explanatory. The court has restrained them from parading as members of the Rivers State House of Assembly. As such, they cannot parade. That was 1. 2. To the best of our knowledge, they are not members of the People's Democratic Party.
Just as Justice Bassam said, that he's predicating his judgment on jurisdiction, and that secondly, that these 25 lawmakers have not defected, and that the claimant was not able to prove. There were emphasis. So for me, I think it was an assumption by those in the quarters of Mr. Governor. And I also think it is also within the ambit of the law to check whether or not
the Rivers State Attorney General Commissioner for Justice Dagogo Israel Iboroma wants the public to disregard the news.
As you all know, Martin Amaewhule and 26 others defected from the People's Democratic Party to the All Progressives Congress on the 11th day of December 2023 and stated that much in affidavit evidence deposed to by Martin Amaewhule for himself and on behalf of 26 others in suit number FHC ABJ 1681 CS of the year 2023 before Honorable Justice Donatus Okorowo of the Federal High Court Abuja Division. That suit is still pending in court.
Meanwhile, these Port Harcourt residents are urging the judiciary to be upright in dispensing justice so as not to overheat the Rivers State political terrain, which according to them is pregnant.
what it simply means is that the judiciary has really been infiltrated by people who have interest. You know, when interest comes in, we begin to have a lot of social issues that will lead to one, breakdown of law, and other, because when you begin to see others, court judgments that actually are not consistent with known laws of the land, what do you expect? You begin to see conflict, you begin to see misunderstanding, you begin to see breakdown of law and order.
Some lawyers speak on the likely political implications of Justice Bassam's ruling.
Yes, there might be a little skirmish as to what is going on, but I think our judiciary remain the last hope of the common man and equally the rich and the poor. So I won't say that, because we have one bad person in the judiciary, that the entire system is to make mockery of the entire system. No, that's not the fact.
With less than 8 days for the tenure of the current local government chairman in Rivers State to elapse, the ruling, which recognizes all laws made by the Amaewhule-Led Assembly, may just have given Governor Sim Fubara's opponents a temporary political breather. The Amaewhule-Led Assembly has extended by 6 months the tenure of the local council chairman. In Port Harcourt, it's Andy Omano, Arise News.